decided to play in the sand. Yeah, me too. Like what? You can throw you really high in the sand and catch you. That sounds pretty fun. Ellie, game starting right now. Please, Sandy now! Throw you super high in the air. Laura! And even her ugly face in the sand, I can do better. Oh, mine looks way better than yours. Mine looks way better. Not fair! Boom. I stepped on something really hard. What was it now? Loser. It was this random thing. Let me see that. Oh, that needs to go in the dumpster. We don't need it. Yes, we do. No, we don't, Callie. You don't. I don't. You don't need it. Up. Oh, Callie, we don't need these things. These are trash. Is that happening? Whoa! Is that happening? I found more trash. Oh, Callie, we don't need that. That looks so cool. Oh my gosh, Callie, you can't swim in that. Huh? What is this place? No, we're in the middle of a spaceship. No, we're not, Callie. We're at the beach. We're in a spaceship. We're not gonna be able to get home. Calm down, Callie. Possibly do this. Quiet. Be by quiet now. No, what is this? Is my area, so you can't go in it. And this over there is your area, so I can't go in it. Out now! My house is gonna be way better than Callie's. Let's find some accessories. So nice right now. Better than Callie. Yeah, it's better than yours. My house looks so much better than yours. This is my house, and you gotta get a boring house. Laura. Wait, what is that over there? What is that over there? I can't tell. My house! It's ruined! Haha, my house is way much better. How is yours going? Where did you come from? Proof that my house is better. The heck? Was it like a lucky day today? Oh, yeah! Oh, it's Laura's birthday. I'm gonna prize her with a gift. BRB. There we go. It's so cool. What should I give her? What is that? That broke the mirror. These are these. Wait, Laura can't say no to Cheetos. I know Laura can't say no to Cheetos. I'm gonna go give it to her. Wow. It tastes so good. That was so good. Oh, here she comes. Is Callie here? I think she is. Hey, Ballora. Come on, Callie. Surprise for you. Did you know today's your birthday? Hey, it is my birthday. I totally forgot. Yay! It's a little birthday gift. Right. It's some Cheetos. Wow! Thank you, Callie. You're welcome, Ballora. You're my bestie. Food? I've been starving the whole time! Oh, thank you, Callie. They're very yummy. Can you try and eat one, please? Did you know I can't say no to Cheetos? These are literally so good. So good, don't you think? Yes, I tried one and it was so good. Oh, nom. Can't say no to Cheetos. They're just so good. These are puffy ones. I like crunchy Cheetos. Ah! What's the problem, Ballora? What's the problem? Are they too spicy, or you just don't like them? Neither. What do you mean by they're too spicy? I just don't like them. You know I don't like puffy Cheez-Its or puffy Cheetos. Come on, it was just a funny prank gift. What's wrong with that? A funny prank gift. Wait, what the heck? Oh yes, it was a plant. It wasn't a plant. It was a prank. Ah, I hate you so much. Happy late April Fool's and happy birthday, Ballora. My gosh, shut up. Gosh, that reminds me of something. Wow, Ballora, look what I found. Oh my gosh, Callie, we don't need this. This is trash. Whoa! Wake up. Wait, what? Oh, I know now. We're back. We are back. Now we can take the spaceship and go home now. Wait. That's because you were having fun. We're leaving here for 2